hath finally arrived. It's here. It is finally here.
Bruh.
It's here. Let's go. So here's the deal. I did not film last week's live cop because I assumed I was going to get nothing. And I'm usually right when I assume that, but I managed to get a Supreme box logo in the olive colorway, size large. So it's kind of the hypest moment of my life. Kind of went crazy, but it arrived. So today will be an unboxing video. It's gonna be not that interesting and pretty short because it's one item, but still thought I might as well do it. Okay. Here we go. This is a very big moment. Supreme box logo. A cross box logo. This is amazing. Oh my gosh. And it comes with, wow, okay, just 2 normal stickers. I thought it was gonna come with some interesting stickers, but apparently not. I'm kind of annoyed because this is the only colorway of the box logo, other than like the natural colorway, that I would actually wear. But obviously, when you get a box logo, it's kind of dumb to keep it, I think, so this is definitely gonna be for the resale. I was kind of thinking that instead of streaming every live cop, I might just stream the really big deal ones like box logos or like exclusive clothing. But if that's what people are interested in, then I can just do everyone. But some of them will be really short videos, as knowing me, I'm not gonna do this well every time. To be honest, I'm really surprised that they didn't like embroider both the box logos, because it would be way nicer. Like on the hoodie itself, they actually embroidered them, and I think that's the reason people really want them, is box logo hoodies usually go for a lot more than the shirts. But I think overall this olive color is probably the best color that they released. I'm really happy that I was able to get this. Anyways, thank you for watching this unboxing video. Please let me know if you'd like to see more unboxings and live cops, in case I actually do well, like I did here for the first time in forever. But yes, please leave a like and comment if you'd like more videos like this, and I'll see you soon. Bye.